这个是油的价钱，还有加油的说明不可以吸烟，要关掉发动机，把这个静电线接上，然后把这个油管拉过去，这边有显示加多少油，当然信用卡直接付账少不了。How many gallons per hour is this airplane?
I usually fly fairly slowly. I only consume 12.
12 gallons per hour.
Yeah, probably most people would consume 14 or so.
Okay.
Most people run a little harder than I do.
14 gallons. For 90 gallons, you can fly like
Depending on how fast you want to go. How fast you want
6
to
hours, right?
Whether you want to do, say, 60% or 75% cruise, that'll be the difference.
So hold on. Just static. Yeah, good. No problem.
Oops. Paint job.
Yeah, 90 gallons, you can go 6 hours.
Yeah,
Pretty long time.
you can. And 86 gallons is usable.
86, yeah.
And I'm very, very cautious about fuel.
Exactly.
My way to do things is to burn down the 2 auxiliary tanks, and it takes me about 300 nautical miles. Then I burn down 1 tank, usually on the side where I am, to balance my weight. And when I have to switch over to the 4th tank, the main tank, the other main tank, I immediately look for fuel.
Okay, so there's a tank switch, right? Not automatic.
No, it's not automatic.
You have to switch to different tanks.
That's correct.
Exactly. I remember one flight school student during a long cross-country flight, he forgot to switch the tank.
Yeah.
So run all one side tank empty, another was full. Then he crashed in the forest.
Oh, really? I remember once when I was going out to Altoona, Pennsylvania, I tried to stretch one of the aux tanks, and instead of watching the fuel meter and switching, I had a passenger. So I was talking to the passenger. I didn't notice the engine did shut off, but we were at about 4,500 feet, so plenty of time for the engine to restart.
You restarted your engine.
Not a big deal, but my passenger went up in his seat like this.
He's scared. I
don't blame him.